In this tutorial, I'll show you what exactly Frame.io is and how to use it, even if you have never used a video collaboration tool before. If you're a business owner, content creator, freelancer, or editor working with clients, Frame.io will save you hours every week. Now, let's jump in. To kick things off, what exactly is Frame.io? Frame.io is a cloud-based video collaboration and review tool. It helps you upload videos, share them with clients or team members, collect timestamp feedback, and organize all your revisions in one place. So instead of sending huge videos back and forth or losing feedback in email threads, with Frame.io, everything happens inside the software, making it fast, simple, and secure. To get started, you're going to go onto Frame.io. From there, you'll be able to create an account for completely free using your email address by selecting Start Free Trial. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you can see you'll automatically have a workspace created for you. And depending on the amount of projects you're working with or the different clients that you're working with, you can create different workspaces. So we'll just be exploring the first option right here. Then you can upload your asset. So you have a few options. If it is a case that you want to edit or get feedback on one particular video like what I have uploaded right here, or if you have numerous clips, you can upload either option. So you'll tap on the plus. Then from there, you can either choose to upload asset, as I said, upload one video, or if you want to upload a folder with different clips, you can do that. And you don't have to upload videos only, you can upload photos, you can also upload audio. So think of Frame.io as Google Drive, but even better when it comes onto video collaboration. So you can see I uploaded a clip right here, and when it comes on to uploading, it does not take long for it to upload. Once you have uploaded the clip, let's say for example I would like to share this with someone to get a feedback. So I'll simply tap on the three dots. Then after doing that, we're going to tap right where you see create share link. After you have tapped on create share link, you can choose right here the different options that you would like to give the person that is receiving the link. So for example, you could tap on settings and you can choose whether you'd like to allow them to comment, allow them to download, and so on. So you can see different options. You could also add a watermark if you want. So this is a good option if, for example, you are dealing with clients, as you don't want to send them the video clip right away and allow them to, for example, download it and use it. So you would like to add your own watermark to protect yourself. So you could toggle on watermark. You can also enable an expiration date. So you are given numerous options. So we're just going to leave it as is, as we want to allow it to receive a view, download, and comment. So you'll tap on copy link. Another thing that I also want to show you, if we tap on the three dots once more, you can see you have the option to download it. You also have the option to upload caption file. You can make a different copy if you want by duplicating it. You can also rename it. And a standout feature when it comes onto Frame.io is when you make the different revision and changes, everything will be saved right here. So you can monitor everything in this folder. Now let's say for example, I were to go into a different email address. I'm going to paste the link that I copied earlier, show you how it would look. So this is how it would look. You get access to the video. From there, you can play the video, whether yours, and then you can find where you would like to, for example, request a change or so on. So you'd be able to view it and make different revisions by going over to the right hand menu option right here. For example sake, we can tap right where you see draw annotation. Then let's say for example sake, you would like to tap on this right here. And let's say we would like them to remove a particular section. You could simply mark the section that you would like them to remove. So it's as easy as that. If it is a case that you would like to leave a comment, so for example, remove this section, you could type it in, as you can see right there, and you could add in your name and email address. So it's as easy as that to request revisions. Once you're finished doing that, if it is a case that you would like to download it, you could download it. And there are different options that you also get access to. For example sake, you can use different color schemes and so on. So as you can see right there, this is the perfect platform if you're working with someone, whether you are a video creator or you are a client. This would be a good platform, as you don't need to download a bag of things, and it is even easier to use than Google Drive. Once you're finished making your revision, all you need to do now, if we were to go back into this, go back into our main dashboard. From here, we'll be able to access the changes. We can also select status, and you'll be able to view the different statuses. For example, needs review, and you can select in progress, whether it is approved or so on. And once it is approved, you can tap on the three dots, and from there you can download it. And by going over to the left hand menu option, you can see the different collection options. As I was saying earlier, you'll be able to upload audio, you can upload video, you can upload images. And that's basically it when it comes onto Frame.io. It is the perfect platform for video, audio, or picture collaboration. And if I were to tap on my profile pic in the bottom left hand corner, from there, let's say for example sake, we were to select settings. After selecting settings, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you have different editing options. And if we were to select usage, you can see the amount of storage that you're provided with. Keep in mind that the plan that we're on right now, it would be the team option. So you can see right there, with this you're given 3 terabytes, and you can see the different pricing plans. So you can use it for free, and you'll be given up to 2 gig storage. So it all depends on the amount of videos or audio that you're exporting and the size of your team. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.